Assalamualaikum dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Mentors in the Electoral Hub. I am Muhammad Iqbal, Counselor Sociology, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Study Center 3007. Today I am here to impart some necessary instruction to the students of IGNOU in general and to the students of 3007 in particular. Dear students, that you are well aware about the fact that our counseling is at halt due to the pandemic and we are not able to open the study center because of this lockdown. You know that in this month usually you are submitting the assignments, but due to lockdown the directions from the higher ups, I mean to say that from regional center Srinagar, is that you can submit the assignments online through email ID. In that perspective, what you have to do? You have to do just one thing, that first of all you have to written the assignments course wise and converting them into a file, PDF file, and in one go you can attach those files in a single email and submit it to the concerned mail which they have provided, which IGNOU Study Regional Center Srinagar has provided. The email ID is assignments IGNOU assignment@gmail.com. So this is the email ID where you can send your assignments. But I want to guide you. If you are first year students and you are not able to send these assignments, or there are some issues with the connectivity, or there are some issues with the conversion of PDF files, then you need not to worry, because you can submit it later on in the month of September. But if you are second year student, then it's mandatory for you to submit the assignments, because if you fail to submit the assignments, then your degree will not be completed well in time. So keep in mind one thing, that please, second year students, I request you to submit the assignments as soon as possible. Through the medium of this video, I request all the viewers, please share this video so that it will reach to the each and every student of IGNOU in general and to the students of 3007 in particular. One thing I will remind you once again, that if you are first year student, then you need not to worry, because you have time. You can submit it later on in the month of September, when usually we are taking the assignments of January session students. Okay, but if you are second year students, in order to complete your degree, it is necessary for you to submit the assignments well in time. IGNOU has given the deadline 30th of April. They can extend it to 2 or 4 days. You can submit it later on in the month of September, when usually we are taking the assignments of January session students. Okay, but if you are second year students, in order to complete your degree, it is necessary for you to submit the assignments well in time. IGNOU has given the deadline 30th of April. They can extend it to 2 or 4 days if I'm not wrong. But please, 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 still there are 10 days. Prepare your assignments. I know you have prepared also already. You can submit it, but the procedure is simple. Just click the photos and convert them with the help of PDF scanner, or with the help of CAM scanner, or with the help of any PDF converter, and you can mail it. If you have issues, go to some technical expert friends, they can help you. Now come to the second point, that is term and examination June 2020. There is less probability that IGNOU can postpone its examinations. They can do it one thing. Yes, they can do it one thing, that they can pull it out 15 days back or 20 days back. I mean to say that they can start it from 20th of June, but that's just a probability. It's not necessary. So in that perspective, you should be ready to face the exams in the month of June. Particularly, I will talk about my students, sociology students. After a few days, I'm coming once again through the medium of this channel. I will give you some important questions which will help you to cross your examinations, which will help you to do your examination, prepare your examination at ease. For that, Do watch this channel, share this channel, so that it can reach to the unreached. I mean to say each and every student of IGNOU. Till then, goodbye, good luck. Thank you.